Hi, I'm Suzanne Tick, Creative Director of Luum Textiles. I'm excited to present our September 2023 launch, the Organized Complexity Collection. Rounding out the year, these 6 textiles reflect the intersection of human communication with nature's evolution, as shared in our 2023 narrative, We Are Nature and Nature is Us, an expression of nature's organizing powers. In January 2023, we explored the underlying patterns and connections that humans imprint on the earth as co-inhabitants with earthly artifacts collection. And in May 2023, we intertwined our design and manufacturing systems with nature to create our most sustainable collection to date, the Supernatural Collection. Our conscious design process considers the mark our textiles will leave on the environment, from the conception of the design brief to the fiber development and weave trials on our loom, to the finished product and its function at the end of its usable life. We're proud to present the Organized Complexity Collection for its design concept and use of innovative fibers and manufacturing techniques. The patterns reflect human connection in relation to nature's dynamism. Just as nature is always engaged in problem solving, fitting form to function, and returning itself to the conditions conducive to evolution for the greater good, the ways we relate to one another can also be as well. Solidifying nature as our ultimate operating manual. Using recycled, biodegradable, and embroidering techniques, this integrated toolkit of multi-purpose wrapped wall, drapery, and upholstery textiles packs a colorful punch with deep reverence for nature, creating opportunities for renewed vitality in any space. Limitless Loop, Loom's 5th embroidered textile, is the mid-scale pattern in this collection and creates a graphic, dimensional expression on upholstery and wrap walls. A modified Pinot curve, Limitless Loop is inspired by the fractal patterns found in nature. Fractals are never-ending and infinitely complex patterns that are self-similar across different scales, like a succulent plant. Limitless Loop's space-filling curve evolves through successive stages of refinement as it grows to cover the area of a square. Its geometric curves pass through every point on the surface, tracing and retracing their paths for a subtle in-and-out fade on walls and furniture forms. Neutrals and pops of colors are embroidered with nylon stitching to its base cloth, Cult Classic, as well as a polyfill base, creating a soft, pillowy surface and a unique conversation between neutral and bright colors. Next is Interweb. Interweb's overlapping 3-color pattern references the impact of communication on social systems, connecting and splintering in a continuous conversation with nature. Interweb is the 4th 100% recycled biodegradable polyester textile in the Loom line, joining Gribstate, Ecotone, and Biotope to provide sustainable and performance in multi-purpose spaces. Featuring recycled cationic, disperse and solution-dyed polyester fibers enhanced with a biocatalyst additive, Interweb biodegrades in anaerobic environments in 3.5 years by attracting microorganisms to break down its polymer chains, leaving only natural occurring elements in their wake. Let's talk about Milieu, Loom's first multi-purpose chenille textile. Named after the word milieu, a person's social environment, Milieu takes inspiration from the contextual and atmospheric qualities of our communities, offering a wide range of neutrals and brights for a collection of 27 colors. Milieu's chenille construction has a smooth hand and a heathered appearance to create a soft look on wrapped walls, panels, screens, and upholstery. Both soft and technical colors are made using cationic and dispersed fiber dye technology, with variegation running through the weft of its matte surface, offering a striated expression up close and a more harmonious surface from afar. And now touchtone. Inspired by one of the most fundamental forms of communication, the telephone, Touchtone reimagines basic faux leathers and upgrades it with a coated polyurethane face and silicone top coat technology. It is soft and supple, highly upholsterable, and competitively priced. with the added benefits of bleach cleanability and stain resistance, making it suitable for any corporate, education, healthcare, and hospitality settings. Touchtone's fresh palette of 22 highly coordinative colorways work together with Luum's small, mid, and large-scale patterns to create a holistic design solution for all types of seating. For direct glue wall applications, we're offering Juxtapose. Juxtapose reflects the beauty of nature's imperfections with a large-scale wood grain-like variation. Its full-length 56 1/4 organic pattern camouflages the seams for wall installations with a subtle vertical flow, creating areas that are dense and others that are more open. All 6 nature-inspired colorways are designed to work as a textile alternative to wood veneer for the wall and for a more holistic space. And finally, Focal Point, Luum's newest drapery offering with 100% inherently fire-retardant polyester velvet surface. Acoustically absorbent with a 0.95 NRC rating and 99% opacity, Focal Point is soft to the touch and honors the role of acoustics in deep intrapersonal connections with sound buffering capabilities. Focal Point's 8 rich colorways, dramatic reds, deep blues, and greens, exist to create conversations between the areas of a space where sound sensitivity is an important design consideration, such as recording studios, screening rooms, auditoriums, breakout areas, and window treatments. Everything we do at Luum is connected by a common thread, what we refer to as the unified field. Here you can see how beautifully this collection of performance materials work together in every surface of the interior. We design with intention, so at each collection launch we extend color and pattern offerings from past to present, making sure that everything works together. As always, if you have any questions, please visit luumtextiles.com to find your local rep and order samples anytime.